Hey, Shifu, sorry. Why are we here today?
We are here in the industrial estate. And I want to bring you to a garden.
Garden?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, a secret garden. Want to see or not?
Secret? Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Hi everyone, I'm Ashley, aka the designer.
Hi everyone, I'm Shanice, and today we are here at Koke.zen. We're going to show you guys some of the terrariums and moss arts they have right here. Let's go!
Nice one.
Yeah. Actually, Shifu, who is Koke.zen and how did they come about?
Well, KokeZen is a company that was formed mainly to do this kind of miniature scaping. Koke is moss, and Zen is Zen. Zen basically is like this state of mind, which is like this Japanese culture thing. So they infuse moss and this ideology, right, integrated into customized solutions like this.
Hey, I want to see more.
Let's go.
Wow, Shifu, is this another moss art design?
Yes. Now, when we talk about moss art, right, it's not just putting all these moss pieces together. For them to kind of create this Zen look, they have to have a balanced composition and really create this miniature mimicry of what Zen nature looks like. Of course, beyond this, right, they try to integrate it into a larger kind of composition, which is this fluted panel and this carpentry panel. So it looks like this very big Zen carpentry wall feature.
Oh, so this carpentry is also made by Koke.zen themselves?
Yeah, you want to see how they do this?
Yes! Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah, so these are the typical carpentry laminates that all carpentries in Singapore would use. Right, so they can use this to create looks like this, where the fluted panels or just a blank one, exactly the one behind, right? And it's important to kind of understand that the moss art is not just itself like a miniature garden, but rather it can be a wall feature as well.
Oh, so is there any tips to like choose which kind of wood or anything?
So depending on your design scheme, like in Zen, Japanese wood usually are pine color, so they're light wood. If you want to give it a more modern touch, have a dash of grey, meaning the woods that are not as this very bright yellow one, but wood that is a little bit more greyish looking would give you that more modern Zen vibes.
Shifu, so after looking at all the moss art designs, right, actually what are the benefits that it brings to like families, homes or individuals?
Well, as you can see, it's literally taking a slice of nature and putting it into your wall. Everybody likes to have like a garden inside their house, but some people may not be very good with plants. So what they've done is basically take the nature outdoors and put it indoors. And in this case, right, they quite literally put it in a vertical format such that it does not consume a lot of real estate in your space. So what else do you think it does for you in terms of your mood?
For me, I think like when I look at the moss art, right, I feel very peaceful. It's like, I feel that the color green just makes a difference. It just lifts up my mood and I can focus and concentrate more, and I'm just like, having a me time just by looking at it.
Hence the Zen in Koke.zen, right? And coupled together with their customized carpentry, it can help accentuate that look. And at the same time, this is a very sustainable and durable product because it's easy to install, right? It enhances your mood and hardly requires any maintenance, making it a truly durable product.